Hey guys, how are you? Welcome to the practical session. In world of Flair bartending, there are around 150 plus basic Flair moves, out of which 20 are the most important basic Flair moves. We'll cover each move clearly and I will make you the learn perfectly. We can perform this move with bottle, pin, peg measure, bar spoon, muddler, glassware and anything. Out of many touchable moves, we are learning 4 moves, which is palm spin, yard spin, side drop, side flip and thumb roll. It will take around 45 minutes to learn this move completely. This is one of the basic and very important move which can be used in many variations. When we start a sequence, upgrade the sequence and many more. Pick up the thing and grab straight. Take position, flick the wrist from left to right. Make sure first stretch your fingers like this. And after grab the shaker, just spin half like this. After half, practice half. When you're confident with half spin, then go to full spin. This move can be performed with both the hands. Same like right hand, we need to practice with left hand. Left, flick the wrist from inside to outside. When you're flicking the wrist, just open your fingers and it will rotate on your knuckle like this. For this move, we need to warm up both the hands, like stretching the fingers left and right, and rotate your wrist and flick your wrist right and left, and practice this move like half spin. When you're confident with half spin, go to full spin, right and left, both the hands.